Hello Python programmers, once again welcome back to another video in Python tutorials with Arshad. In our previous video we had seen how to find whether a given number is an Armstrong number or not. Now in this video we will solve this third question. Now here the question is printing prime numbers from 1 to n numbers and the sum of n numbers of prime numbers to be printed. Now for clear understanding, just consider that here the value of n as 10. So according to our question, here we need to print all prime numbers present in between 1 to 10. After that, we need to print the sum of all prime numbers present in between 1 to 10. Now we will see how to do this. Now it's time to open our Visual Studio Code. I am creating here a new Python file named as cube19.py. As I already told you, first I am taking input from user. I am declaring here a variable named num which will take input from user in integer format, and now I am providing here text as enter the ending range. Now for understanding purpose, just consider that here the value of num is 10 now. So according to our question, we need to print all the prime numbers present in between 1 to 10. So we need to check all the numbers present in between 1 to 10 whether the number is prime number or not. So for that we need to iterate over all the numbers present in between 1 to 10. We all know that for iteration we will use loops in Python. In our case I am going to use for loop. I am just saying that for I in range 1 comma num plus 1. So with the help of this for loop we can iterate over numbers from 1 to 10. But we need to find whether the number is prime number or not, right? So for finding whether the given number is prime number or not, first we need to know what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are nothing but numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. I am repeating once again, prime numbers are nothing but numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. So with the help of this definition, we can conclude that if we divide prime numbers with any other numbers, then we won't get remainder as 0. I am repeating once again, if we divide prime numbers with any other numbers, then we won't get remainder as 0. And also the thing here you need to know is prime numbers are always greater than 1. So I am going to use here the if condition. If the value of I is greater than 1, then only enter into this if block. For understanding purpose, now you just consider the value of I as 7. We all know that 7 is a prime number. But how can we say that 7 is a prime number? We can say 7 is a prime number because if we divide 7 with all the numbers present in between 2 to 6, then we won't get remainder as 0. With the help of this, we will say that 7 is a prime number. So here I want to divide 7 with all the numbers present in between 2 to 6. So I need another for loop here. So I am just saying that for j in range 2 comma I. Now we already know that we are considering the value of I as 7 for understanding purpose. So this loop will start from 2 and it will end at 6. So here I am going to divide I with j. If I get the remainder as 0, then I will terminate this loop with the help of break keyword. So I am using here if condition. If the value of I modulus j is equal to 0, then enter into this if block and just break this loop. Now you can see here if we get remainder as 0, then for sure that number will not be a prime number. So I am breaking this loop. Now I am using this else keyword and inside this else block I am printing the value of I. Now the thing you need to observe here is, here we are using this else block along with this for loop, not with this if condition. We all know that this else block will be executed only if we are not breaking this loop using this break keyword. We had discussed this thing while we are learning about for loops. You can check that video once again for clear understanding. You can watch that video by clicking on that I button present at the top. Now I will revise you that thing once again. In case of for loops, this else block won't be executed if we terminate the loop using this break keyword. Now in this case, we are terminating this loop if we get remainder as 0. So here if the remainder is 0, then this loop will be terminated and this else block also won't be executed. Now the remainder is not equal to 0, then it will execute this else block and it will print the value of I. Okay, that's all, our problem has been solved. Now I am running this program. You can see here it is asking me as enter the ending range. I am providing here ending index range as 10. Now you can see here it has written me output as 2, 3, 5, 7. We all know that these are the prime numbers present in between 1 to 10. Okay, it's good up to now. But according to our question, we need to print the sum of all prime numbers present in between given range. So for that I am declaring here a variable named sum. Initially the value of the sum will be 0. Now inside this else block I am going to add the value of I to the sum variable. I am just saying that sum is equal to sum plus I. So with the help of this output, we can consider that inside this else block, the value of I is 2, 3, 5, 7 if we provide ending index range as 10. So for first iteration, the value of sum will be 0 and I will be 2. So 0 plus 2 will become 2 and the 2 will be assigned to a sum variable. After that the value of sum is 2 and the value of I is 3. So 2 plus 3 will become 5 and this 5 will be assigned to this sum variable. Similarly this process will repeat up to the ending index range. So finally I am printing the value of sum also, and also I am providing here text as the sum of all prime numbers is, and I am printing this sum variable now. Okay, now I am running this program once again and I am providing here ending index range as 10. Now you can see here in the output we had got first 2, after that it has printed that the sum of all prime numbers is 2 and then 3, after that sum is 5. So similarly it is continuing. But it is not good to print the sum for every iteration. So I am just placing this print statement outside this loop and I am running this program once again. Again I am giving ending index range as 10. Now you can see here our output is looking good. First it has printed all the prime numbers present in between 1 to 10. After that finally it has printed the sum of all prime numbers present in between 1 to 10. Similarly we can see what are the prime numbers present in between 1 to 100 also. We can see here these are all the prime numbers present in between 1 to 100. And finally it has written that 1060 is the sum of all prime numbers present in between 1 to 100. Okay guys, that's all in this video. I hope you understood this video. In this video, we had seen how to find prime numbers in a given range. So finally, if you like this video, then share this video series of Python tutorials with Arshad to your friends also. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Programming with Arshad. Hit this bell icon to get latest updates. Thank you for watching till end. I will see you next time with another amazing video. Take care. Bye bye.